Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastya. Today we are continuing to watch solo music videos from TXT, and now it's TAEHYUN, Bird of Night, and HUENINKKAI dance review. Let's watch this. I'm really excited. Let's go. 모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까. I guess here will be very deep meaning of music video. 날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight 더 작은 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 안 know. So aesthetic shots. We should let it go. 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠 못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 걸 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 like so melancholic vibe, but very beautiful. And also TAEHYUN's voice, it's so beautiful. 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 안 know. We should let it go. 같은 별에 바라보고 있어 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 I love these lyrics. 언젠가는 glow. Oh, so beautiful. Once it will glow. Yes, I read the lyrics of each song when the album came out, and this song, Bird of Night, I really like the lyrics. The lyrics is really meaningful for me, and I guess for TAEHYUN, so good job. And this music video came out really good, so yeah, let's watch 휴닝카이's music video. Let's go. Oh, it's like Spanish vibes, yes. Oh my god, so sexy, guy. Oh my god. What am I watching? Whoa. Такое ощущение, что Макне дают больше свободы в клипах и песнях.
맞춤.
I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 난 맡긴 눈 하나가 되는 둘. I wanna dance with you.
Okay, let's dance. So catchy. Yes, it's Spain. But I don't know the city. Then so cool. Of course, our Maknaes. It was really spicy but catchy and sexy. HUENINKKAI impressed me so much. It feels like Maknaes has more freedom than other members in every group. I don't know why, but it's cool. We watched these two music videos. Hope you enjoyed this reaction. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my channel, and see you next video. Bye!